Let's compare the iTouchless trash can to the Simple Human 10-liter trash can. So this is the iTouchless trash can. It's a really simple plastic design to it. Uses any kind of small bags that you want to put on here. As you can see, it's very light, just very simple and basic. Doesn't have a top to it. Works great for like recycling, or as I'm using it here in my kids' room. Now the Simple Human 10-liter, on the other hand, a little bit, more complicated, I would say. It's got a stainless steel design, so it is metal versus plastic for the iTouchless, and it does have this little pedal you can use to open it. It does have a lid on top as well. So both of them are really great trash cans. I think the one here from Simple Human is great for a bathroom trash can where you do want to have that lid, you want it to look a little more discreet. The iTouchless trash can I think is great because it's just so simple, it's easy to empty. Works great for a kid's room where you want them to just be able to throw stuff in without having to press the pedal. And it also works great because of the blue color for doing recycling as well. So both of them are great trash can options. Just depends on what you want to do with them.